Hello everyone, welcome to Jira training. In this tutorial, we will understand what is Jira. So Jira is a software that assists with planning, tracking, reporting and releasing of projects. And it is developed by a company known as Atlassian. And initially, Jira started as a software development tool to support agile development methodology and mostly for the software development teams. But over the last few years, it has been adopted by all sort of industries and businesses. Now, Jira can be classified into three categories depending on where or who is using or which particular business unit is using these tools. So, if you go to the Atlassian website, you'll see all the products that they have. Primarily, the Jira is mostly relevant for planning, tracking, and support. So, Jira comes in three flavors, that is Jira Software, Jira Service Desk, and Jira Core. So, Jira Software is primarily for the software development teams. It comes along with Jira Core plus the agile development add-on on top of Jira Core. Then Jira Service Desk is for the IT service desk sort of projects wherein you have the help desk, IT help desk, uh, where your internal employees or external customers raise service requests and you service those requests, and you have SLA capabilities in Jira Service Desk. Then Jira Core is uh, mostly for the business units, and that's where it has been adopted by many other industries and businesses because it's highly customizable. You can customize the screens, the workflows, and even like roles and responsibilities. So it's highly customizable. So all flavors of Jira are can be customized, and that is why any business that is using any flavor of Jira can be can be customized and used. So depending on what your particular project requirement is, you need to choose one of these three products accordingly. If you are working into the software development, then Jira Software is the best fit for you. If you're working in the IT help desk type of project, then Jira Service Desk is the best suitable product for you. And if you're working in any other businesses like HR or marketing marketing projects, then Jira Core will help you to um, track the progress of those sort of projects. So this is a bit of an introduction about Jira software and what Jira is. Thank you.